You are watching Kiddo TDV. Hello, little friends. Welcome to Fun with ABC. Today, we're going to learn and write all about the alphabet from A to Z. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go! Let's begin. Let's start with the first letter, A. A is for apple. Can you say A?
A.
Great job! Now let's try writing it.
Yay!
Next, we have B. B is for ball. Can you say B?
B.
Well done! Now let's write the letter B.
Yay!
C is for cat. Meow! Can you say C?
C.
Let's write the letter C together.
Yay!
D is for dog. Let's write D.
Yay!
E is for elephant. Try writing E.
Yay!
F is for fish. Write F with me.
Yay!
G is for guitar. Trace G.
Yay!
H is for hat. Write H.
Yay!
I is for ice cream. Let's write I.
Yay!
J is for jellyfish. Trace J.
Yay!
K is for kite. Write K.
Yay!
L is for lion. Let's write L.
Yay!
M is for monkey. Trace M.
Yay!
N is for nest. Write N with me.
Yay!
O is for octopus. Let's write O.
Yay!
P is for pencil. Write P.
Yay!
Q is for queen. Trace Q.
Yay!
R is for rocket. Write R.
Yay!
S is for sun. Let's write S.
Yay!
T is for tiger. Trace T.
Yay!
U is for umbrella. Write U.
Yay!
V is for violin. Let's write V.
Yay!
W is for whale. Trace W.
Yay!
X is for xylophone. Write X.
Yay!
E is for yacht. Now write Y.
Yay!
Z is for zebra. Let's write the final letter Z.
Yay! Yay!
You did an awesome job. Let's repeat again.
Yay!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yay!
You did an awesome job learning and writing your ABCs today. Keep practicing And soon, you'll be an alphabet
Yay!
master.